Hi, I'm Christopher Kimball from Milk Street. You know, I do love a pressure cooker. I love it not just because it speeds up cooking, but sometimes you get a lot more flavor as well. This particular model is from a company called Kuhn Rikon. So this thing is really heavy duty, it's solid, and you can actually cook in the bottom of the pot, which for me is really important. So we're gonna make a recipe I found in Taipei in Taiwan recently, beef noodle soup. It's a famous Taiwanese recipe. We started with some vegetable scallions, garlic, some chili bean paste, some Sichuan peppercorns, 5-spice powder, etc. And we've actually cooked that down a little bit and finally added some sherry. So we have a really great base to create the flavor for this soup, which is incredibly flavorful. We're gonna add in the chuck, and we have 6 cups of water. And of course, a little bit of soy sauce as well. So now I put the lid on and turn the heat to high. So we're gonna let this heat up. It'll take 4 or 5 minutes. So we let this rest off heat for 10 minutes for natural steam release. Then I press down with tongs on the top. And now we can take this off. Done with that. Now we're going to put in the bok choy. We'll let that wilt for just about 3 minutes. And I'm going to add a little lime juice to it at the end. So it is beef noodle soup, so we'll start with some noodles. And I'll finish with a sprinkle of scallion. This is really as good as the one I had in Taipei, and it took about half the time. And the meat is super tender, which is one of the great things in a pressure cooker. You can take tough meat and turn it tender meat, really in about 45 minutes total. So there you have it. This is the pressure cooker from Kuhn Rikon. If you're a serious cook and you want to do some serious pressure cooking, this is the one we like here at Milk Street.